Okay, it's totally thundering, you guys. There it goes again. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm putting on, in honor of October, the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask from Peter Thomas Roth. You don't need that much, just a thin layer. Oh my gosh, I hope you can hear that. It is like we're in the Midwest, people. So you want to put this on, and 3 to 7 minutes is all you want to do. So I'm kind of getting it on quickly because it gets a little steamy hot, you know? It is an exfoliating AHA mask that smells heavenly, like I want to eat it right now. It smells so good. Whew. 3 to 7 minutes though. I'll see how long I can last. Normally, if you're really sensitive, you want to get it off in 3 minutes. So it's exfoliating. I'm talking quick because I don't have a lot of time. Ness just started the timer for me. I don't want to burn myself, but he got me all taken care of. So it has pumpkin enzyme, AHA, and aluminum oxide crystals. This is a great mask to do once a week or maybe once every other week. And it's so fun, like this would be fun at a party or, oh my gosh. Please, I hope you can hear that. It is like thundering. I know you can hear it because, well, if you're in SoCal, we don't get this stuff. It's crazy, but I'm kind of loving it right now. Okay, so it is exfoliating, brightening. The crystals, I wanted to read what the crystals do. They give an appearance of lackluster skin. So that's the, I can't even focus because it is like thunder, it's crackling. It's October. Ooh, I've got my mask on. It smells like pumpkin. It's thundering right now. Okay. Anyways, focus, Darla, focus. I know I'm wearing the same thing. I got it from J-Lo. You know, I love her. And I figured if she can do a season of World of Dance in the same outfit for like 5 shows, I guess I could do 2 of these YouTube videos in the same shirt since I'm doing it on the same night and in the same eye makeup because October's a big month for me and my husband because we have 2 of our 3 sons that are born in October, and we're going to splurge and have a pizookie after this, so I kept my eye makeup on for the mask. Are we at 7 minutes?
Almost 3 minutes.
Oh, wow. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna last the 7 minutes. I probably will go about 5. The AHA in this, it's pretty strong. I can really feel it right now. It's got some tingle to it. So I'll probably go about 5 minutes and go and rinse it off and come back and we will see the results. Okay, you guys, I have the mask off. I want to introduce you to our little girl of the family. This is Bella. She's smelling because that pumpkin smells so good. I have her because that thunder and lightning scared her. She was in her little crate, afraid. So I went and grabbed her really quickly. So I was so distracted by the weather. I know that sounds so crazy, but we don't ever get this here where we live. So it's kind of exciting. I was a little distracted putting on the mask and talking about it because the lightning and thunder kept going, and then it started raining really hard and I couldn't focus. So now I'm a little bit more focused. I have Bella with me and she's nice and safe. I have the mask off my skin. So this is a mask that I use periodically. I honestly don't do it once or twice a week. I don't. I maybe do it once a month. It is the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask from Peter Thomas Roth. This is it right here. It smells heavenly. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, it is like so crazy weather right now. It says enzymatic dermal resurfacer. You didn't see me because, again, I was a little distracted by the weather, but you actually exfoliate it. So it's great for, gosh, just getting a little bit layer, resurfacing the skin. If you have any, I'm gonna try it. My son, my poor son, has gone through just a few years of acne. He's all cleared now, but of course with acne comes a little bit of scarring. And I actually want to give this a go with him and see if it would kind of fade. His scarring's not deep, but it's there because that's what happens. You get a little bit of scarring when you have acne. I'm gonna have him try it. If you guys are just trying it, if I'm yelling, it's because it's like storming like crazy in here. If you are trying this for the first time, I would really just go the 3 minutes. At 3 minutes, I was asking Ness, like, okay, has it been long enough? But I did 5 minutes and it was okay. I'm not really irritated. Once I got it off, it was nice. My face feels amazing. It's a great mask. Peter Thomas Roth as a whole, have fabulous masks. And I'm gonna go over a few of them with you. I have a few. This one is the exfoliating one. I thought it was perfect for October, fall season. It smells, I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like pumpkin pie. It's awesome. Bella and I are so glad that you came and visited with us today. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I was a little distracted. Again, we don't have weather like this in Southern California. So if you do in your area, comment and let me know because I think it's crazy and it's fun. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified for the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.